motivation. We heard this word many times in our lives. This word derived from the word motive, which basically means emotion due to a reason or some reason. There are many theories presented so far, and I believe all theories have four common words such as wants, needs, desires, and drives. However, I think only one word can define all theories, that is motive. This motive could be internal, external, therefore it is described as an intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Usually there are many differences in both motivations, but in my opinion, intrinsic motivation is a permanent phenomena, whereas extrinsic motivation is like an electric current which shakes your body and is spread in your mind, which definitely enlighten you, but it's a kind of temporary phase. If it goes, then the body becomes cold again. Nevertheless, intrinsic motivation is a kind of burning inside you, which is not letting you even have a deep sleep, and you always feel energetic and ready to go a step ahead to achieve your goals. Well, the motivation usually comes from outside because of any trigger, for instance, motivational stories, inspirational teacher, a stimulating movie or movie scene, success stories, or from your own failure. However, these all don't work until you hear the bell rings inside you and asking you to do something for achieving your goals. Indeed, it requires a deep analysis even to check a minute cell movement in you. Well, the story doesn't end here. And after this thorough and critical analysis, you have to make your own plan for getting motivated. Nobody can inspire you until you want to be inspired by someone. Bottom line, it's you who can motivate you. In the last but not the least, always think higher, but missing reality eventually demotivate you, which leads to depression and is a big enemy of the motivation. Thank you so much.